Students, this is Miss Fatma, teacher of class 2 from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan Johar campus. Students, today we are going to discuss the question answers of chapter Our Body, Skin. And you also have to do these question answers in your science copy. So let's begin from question number 1. First of all, you all must write down the topic Our Body, Skin, and then we will start from the first question. So let's start reading the first question. Why is skin important? Why is skin important? Now they are asking us what is the reason behind the importance of skin, that why is it important to our body, why is it important for our body. So students, as you all know that skin covers our whole body from top to bottom. Our whole body is covered with skin, and it protects our body from the germs. It prevents the germs from entering our body. The germs that are present outside our body, it protects those germs. It prevents those germs from entering inside our body. So it protects our inner body. So the answer is skin is important because it protects and covers our whole body. Okay students, skin covers and protects our whole body. It prevents our body from infections, because if our body was not covered with skin, then we would have got infections, we would get infections, and that would cause harm to our body. So skin protects our body from infections. So that's why it is important. So the answer is skin is important because it protects and covers our whole body. Question number 2. What helps you to sense different temperatures? So students, here they are asking us what helps you to sense different temperatures. That means which part of your body helps you to sense the temperatures, whether something is hot or cold. So the answer is our skin helps us to sense different temperatures. And how does it do so? Students, you must have observed that whenever you touch anything, you can feel the temperature of that thing. You can feel whether something is cold, whether something is hot. If you are touching something that is cold, for example, if you are touching ice, if you are touching cold drink, you can easily feel that thing is cold with the help of your skin. While if you are touching a hot pan, or if you are touching something hot, like if you are touching hot water or anything that is hot, you can feel the temperature of that thing with the help of your skin. So by touching anything with the help of your skin, you can feel the temperature of the things, whether something is hot, whether something is cold. So our skin helps us to sense different temperatures. Moving on to question number 3. Write down the functions of skin. So now here we have to write down the functions that are performed by the skin to our body, in our body. So number 1 is our skin helps to regulate our body temperature. Regulate means control. Our skin helps to control our body temperature. Students, you all know that how does skin regulate the temperature of our body? Like when it's too hot, or during summer we sweat, and that cools down the temperature of our inner body. That cools us down. And when in the same way, when it's too cold and when we are feeling cold, our body shivers, we start shivering, and in this way this warms up our body, so we stop feeling cold. So this is how skin controls the temperature of our body. Number 2, we can sense the temperature and texture of different things with the help of skin. So students, as we have just discussed, that skin helps us to sense the temperature, that whenever you are touching anything, you can feel the temperature of that thing. And in the same way, by touching at the things, you can feel whether you can also feel the texture of the things, whether something is smooth, whether something has a rough structure. You can easily feel that with the help of your skin. By touching the things, you can feel that whether something is smooth or rough. You can feel the texture of the things. Moving on to number 3. Third function, skin protects us from infection. So students, since skin covers our whole body and it prevents the germs and other germs from entering inside our body, so therefore it protects our inner organs, our body from infections. It protects our body from infections. Question number 4. Name the uppermost layer of our body. Name the uppermost layer of our body. So here they are asking us about the layer that is covering our body. And as you all know that our whole body is covered with the layer of skin. Our whole body is covered with skin. So the answer will be skin is the uppermost layer of our body, because skin is the layer that is covering our whole body. Question number 5. What are tiny holes of skin called? Students, they are asking us what are tiny holes of skin called. As you all know that there are tiny holes present in our skin. There are tiny holes present in our skin and they are called pores. And remember, we have just discussed that during hot weather, when we feel too hot, our body sweats through the pores of our body. Where does the sweat comes from? The sweat comes out from the pores of our body. So the tiny holes of skin are called pores through which we sweat during summer season. Okay students, I hope you have understood these questions very well. I want all of you to complete these 5 questions in your science copy and then submit your work. I hope you all will complete this work. Thank you.